Hi trainers, Marsha Weisletter here with a quick tip on how to determine your training style. In the world of training, we have a continuum of training styles. At one end, we have the dependent training style. So this means the learners are dependent on you, the trainer, and you are controlling most of the activities. Think lectures, demonstrations, think sage on the stage. At the other end of the continuum, we have the independent training style. So this means the learners are working independently of the trainer, and you are giving control to the learners. They are exploring the content on their own. Think guide on the side. In between these two, we have a collaborative training style. So this means the learners rely on each other as much as on you, the trainer. There's a partnership happening. We're in this together. Think discussions, a lot of group work. So here's the big question. What's the best style? Well, it's our job as an instructor to read the group and adjust our style accordingly. You see, my style is very collaborative, even independent. I like giving control to the learners. But there are times when I need to take on that more dependent style. Perhaps I need to give the learners feedback on their performance, or I need to get the learners back from break on time. So with these tips, you will adapt your style to meet the learner's needs, and that is my tip of the day.